Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make pork with potato. Start by trimming the pork, seasoning with salt and pepper, and preheating the oven to 375 degrees F. Brown the pork in a hot pan for color, then layer sliced potatoes with garlic and rosemary. Pour in a cup of stock, cover, and roast until pork reaches safe temperature and potatoes are tender. Let rest before slicing and serving. Enjoy. Use a simple rub of salt, pepper, paprika, and 1 teaspoon garlic powder for balanced flavor. Allow pork to sit at room temperature for 20 minutes before cooking so it cooks evenly. Slice potatoes about 3, 5 mm or 1/4 inch thick for consistent texture and quick roasting. Test tender with a fork and adjust oven time if needed. Finish with a splash of lemon juice or chopped parsley for brightness. Pan-sear any roast ends to build flavor, getting a deep brown crust before braising. Braise covered for 45 to 60 minutes at low heat until meat is fork tender and potatoes absorb juices. Use a thermometer to ensure pork hits 145 degrees F and then rest for 10 minutes before slicing. Store leftovers in airtight containers and reheat gently to maintain moisture and texture for best results. Serve with a simple green salad.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.